So my name is Ryan. I've been working in the PPF and detailing industry for around 10, 11 years, give or take. And predominantly the last 3 years, maybe 4, pushed solely into the PPF side of it, leaving the detailing not so much behind, but focusing on this. I'm currently working on this Huracán STO using the ArlonCutPilot software and Arlon Ultra PPF. It's going down nicely, making steady progress with it. Using the patterns for the majority of it, which are fitting nicely. Not quite done the bonnet yet because it's a bit of a daunting task, so we'll wait until there's 2 of us to get that on. Making progress on the doors and rear quarters backwards. The patterns fit really nicely, all edges wrapped. And if you're wanting to bulk the bike, this has been bulked. So no patterns on this at all, everything's fully bulk wrapped. These rear pieces all in one piece, right the way around, all the way down. Same for the tank. If you do this sort of stuff for a living, you'll know that doing bike tanks in as minimal piece as possible is a task. This is in 2 pieces only. The film works great if you want to bulk or do patterns. You can do everything with it. It conforms nicely, it's malleable, it grabs when you want it to, and it still moves when you need it to. So it's a really nice film to use.